All right, let's continue with our project. Modify your data model. All right, so we have our manager, Kenya Collins, would like you to create a custom support plan start date field. Support plan start date. Okay, this is for us to support a customer. They have to sign up for a support plan, a subscription service. When does the plan start? When the plan starts, we are allowed to begin servicing this particular client or customer. So Kenya wants that. Here's how to get that done for her. Basically, we create a new field on the account tab or account object, and then this is the details. Let's go ahead and do that. So gear icon, setup, object manager, account is already on the very top there, fields and relationships. We want to make a new one. So new field, which is a date field, right? Is it a date time or date? It's a date field there. And this would be the detail. Let's copy, because we have to do exactly for us to get the project done. Field label that, make sure you don't have spaces, extra spaces, and that field name will be auto-populated. So help text, when did the current support plan begin? That's the help text. So you can hover over this I information like that, so it will be displayed. Okay, is it required? Do we have a default value? Well, they don't say, so we can just skip that. Okay, next. So who can see this? Let's check it's read only, right? But it can be edited by support profile, custom support profile, and sysadmin, system administrator. So custom support profile can edit it, so it's not read only, right? Custom support profile. Let me crank this up. Can you even see that there? Custom support profile is not read only, and system administrator there can also edit it. So I am unchecking that box. So next, and then save. Okay, let's save that new field. So basically add the field, right? They want it on the page layout, right? Next, and save. Let's just save that. So we have that brand new field called support plan start date. Now, Kenya also requested you show a few members of her support team, like Fumiko and Aaron, right? How to update support plan information on an account. So use the Edge Communications account as an example. So just to verify the field is now available. So App Launcher service back here basically. So we are already on the surface. Like if you're not there, App Launcher service, and then you go to accounts and you go to Edge Communications. We should have that new field on the details tab, which is support plan, somewhere there. Let me just find it. Oh, there. Support plan date. So that this is the help text we entered. When did the current support plan begin? This is helpful for staff in your organization to know what is this field for. So help texts are helpful. Okay, so take time to make help text for your staff. Otherwise, they're gonna come and call you as the administrator. What is this? What does this mean? Hey, what does this mean? Because you don't give them any information. So give them any information. When did the current? Oh, okay. Now I can fill in the date. So as is requested here, click there and then select a date 1 year ago from today. Okay. 1 year ago from today. Today is 2020, August 28th. So I'm going to change this 29, August 28, 2019. right? I'm going to save that record back here. So that's it. We've created the first one. Now create dependent pick list. Okay, this is a fun and interesting part. So dependent pick lists help users enter accurate and consistent data. A dependent pick list is a custom or multi-select pick list for which a valid values depend on the value of another field. Okay, let's do this so you can see how it works. So go to setup again, and then we go to opportunity, and then we're going to create new field dependencies. Okay, so back to our setup here. This is setup object manager again, but now we are working with the opportunity object. So search here, and then opportunity, fields and relationships, field dependencies button here. Click there, make a new one. So the controlling field is the stage, dependent is delivery installation status. So controlling field is stage, dependent is delivery installation status. This means for a certain stage, the options is different. It will show differently. Okay, let's continue for now. So on here, you scroll next until the closed one here, and then you want to select that, double click, make it yellow, double click there, right? And then you can hit preview. Boop. So stage, prospecting, nothing, right? If the stage is qualification, nothing. But if the stage is close one, which is this one on the top, close one, right? If the stage is close one, boom, now you can choose. Ooh, interesting. That's very helpful, right? So you can do that with any fields in other objects as well. So basically, we are going to save that. That's fine. So we just did this, and that's basically it. Okay, so now create a support process. Now, after another meeting with Kenya, the manager, it's come to light that your support team needs two different processes for keeping track of the status of the customer product support and billing inquiries. So we have customer product support and billing inquiries, two different case support process. Okay, how do we do this? First, let's create new support process from the setup. Okay, so back to setup, go to the home tab, and then support processes. Boom. Make a new one. So the first one would be, so existing support process is master. It's product support is the first one, the name. What is that for? Process for logging customer support. Makes sense, right? Next. For that, what's the available values? Basically, just go with the default, and then we're gonna create the billing one. So we're gonna accept that. The default is new and save. New one, the second support process would be billing. I'm just gonna copy that so I won't have any kind of typo error, so we can complete the project accurately. Save. Same thing, right? And then new is the default, and then save. So new is the default status there. Save. Now we have two, billing or product support. Okay, that's it. Now add Picklist values. First, we want to add a new case type. From setup, object manager, case, and then fields and relationships type. The case type, okay? When somebody create a new case, what is the type here? So let's go ahead and do that. Object manager. Now we are dealing with the case object. Search for case. Click there. And then fields and relationships, and then you can also search for the field here, type, case type, and then we want to enter. So right now it has mechanical, electrical, electronic, structural, and other. So we want a new case type picklist values, which are these ones. Okay, boom, copy that, 1 per line. So 1 per line, like that. Okay, make sure there is no extra line, and save. Now we have those, so you can order them. Do we have to remove the old ones there? It doesn't say, right? Okay, that's fine. So leave that as is. Now create the record types. Same with case again. So now go to record types. We have on the object manager still here, but now click record types here. Record types. Boom. Make a new one. So the new one is product support, and then let's do it one at a time so I'm not confusing you. That will be auto-populated support process, product support, and the description would be used to log customer support issues. Right, makes sense. So far so good. Active select. In the enable for profile column header, deselect the checkbox enable for profile column. Boom. So nobody have this, right? Nobody has this. So you deselect that. And then select just for custom support profile and system administrator. So custom support profile, this is enabled for this profile only, and system administrator only. So this case record type is only available for staff members or Salesforce users having the custom support profile or the sysadmins. Got it? That's important. So this case record types is only available for those two profiles. Next. So let's see, what do they want here? In step 2, ensure that the apply one layout to all profiles radio button is selected. Apply one layout to all profiles. Yeah, we've done that, but which profile do we want? Product support, right? From the select page layout, select the case support layout. Okay, case support, because it's a support, right? Case support layout. So everybody has a case support layout. Everybody, all profiles has a case support layout, the page layout, and then save. In the Picklist available for editing section, click edit next to the type. Select remove. Oh, we want to remove all those old. Okay, let's save that first. And save. Okay, so go back here. In the Picklist available for editing section, click edit next to type. Picklist available for editing. Picklist available for editing. So for type here, the type, I want to remove the unused one. That one I don't want. This one, this one, this one. Remove that, right? Which one? Mechanical, electrical, structural, refund. We don't want refund, credit card, and subscription. We don't want a refund. We don't want credit card. We don't want subscription. So 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mechanical, electrical, structural, refund, credit card, subscription. Electronic. Well, that's not electronic. I'm gonna keep that. Electrical. What? It doesn't say to remove electronic, right? Electrical, mechanical, structural, refund, credit card, subscription. So let's keep electronic there. Okay, so what is the default we want? So just save it. It doesn't say, so I'm just gonna just save it there. Okay, so let's go back here. You've saved that. So select record types and then new again. Now it's for billing. Alright, so the same steps but now for billing. Record types again and then new again. Now we're going to make billing record type. Billing. Support process is billing for sure. And then description is that. And active. Did I check the active for the other one? But let's go back there later. And then in the enable for profile, deselect, and then same thing. Those two profiles can have it. A custom support profile can have that. And also sysadmin can have that. Okay. In step 2, ensure all the apply checkbox and then case support layout and save. Same thing basically. Next. Apply to that and then case still support layout. And go back here. Okay, now the pick list. For the type pick list, and I'm gonna save. And then the type pick list here, we are going to edit this type pick list. So what do we need to take out? Mechanical, electrical, structural, feature request. Mechanical, electrical, structural, feature request. Remove those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then save. Default just none. Alright, we've done through that. Since you've created new support processes, one for support, one for billing, and record types for Kenya's team, the manager, they are now able to create cases for billing and product support that help them more efficiently take care of customer needs. Kenya would like you to show the team how to do this task. Okay, let's demo it. So app launcher, service, edge communications, new, accounts, and then cases new, and then choose product support and create a product support. Okay, so basically go back to here, and then this is the edge communications account. Go to related. Now if we want to create a new case, which one? Is it product support or billing? Let's do product support. Okay, so we have a product support case. Product, choose any product, and then electronic phone performance. Okay, wrong. So case origin. Wait, I should go slower. So type is electronic, and then product, just choose a product. So type is electronic, product, choose a product, right? Next up is case origin phone, reason performance. I keep clicking that. Case origin is from phone, reason is performance. And then, laptop power. Buy a new battery, dude. I keep clicking that. Okay, subject is laptop power. Description is that. And then click save. Okay, so we have created a new case for product support, for edge communications. That's it. Now, the instructions for creating a new billing case are very similar. Now, you just simply choose billing, all right? So a new case again, scroll down to the cases, new case, now billing, next. So let's do product type electronic, origin email, reason other. Oh, not priority. Email, reason other. Credit card overpayment not refunded. Somebody complained. Where is my refund? And then the description, overpayment for a purchase is not refunded. Boom. Oops. Make sure there is no extra space there. And save. And that's basically it. I keep doing that. So we have created 2 support processes. And now your staff or this team's member or staff can manage the customers efficiently and save time. All right, verify the points, and I will see you on the next section on part 3 of this project, which will be configure an email letterhead and template. That'll be easy. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.